Okay, good noon everyone. Good noon, Beatrice. So this week we are going to discuss about the information, communication, and technology, the computers and its roles and history and terms in education. Okay, so most of the things we use and do nowadays involve the use of technology. Okay, lalo na ngayon, as of now, in our pandemic situation, technology is very, very important. Okay, so students and teachers make use of this when they are trying to communicate, to learn, to access information, and to entertain also. So all these technologies that surrounds are known as tools of information communication technology. Based from the definition given by the United Nations Development Program, so ICT are basically information handling tools, a varied set of goods, application, and services that are used to produce, store, process, distribute, and exchange information. So nowadays, in-demand way siya of communication in terms of teaching and learning, okay? So, computers are considered part of ICT. Yes, of course, it's one of the gadget of ICT. So, um, hindi natin kayang hadlangan ng evolution ng technology. Sabi ko nga, the evolution of technology, year by year, kailangan natin sundan. Okay? Kailangan nating sundan siya, hindi ang technology ang susunod sa atin. Tayo ang susunod sa technology. Okay? So, even all technologies are considered part of ICT, of course. So, ICT has transformed every aspect in the teaching and learning process. So, let's find the roles of ICT and education. So, number one roles is it can serve multiple teaching function. So, information communication technology can be used as a drill and practice to help students to solve problems, to access information and the different fields. Okay. So next one is it can be used in different teaching and learning modes. So nowadays, unti-unting nawawala na yung tinatawag nating visual aids, yung mga tinatawag nating printing age, print age, and information literacy, that is a print age. So unti-unti siyang napapalitan nung tinatawag nating electronic visual aids with the use of laptops, projectors, and televisions. Okay, so these learning modes include classroom, interactive learning, independent learning, network learning, organization learning, and managed learning. As of today, in our pandemic situation, we use all of that. Yung mga interactive learning, network learning, pero sana naman, hindi lahat ng sagot ninyo, kinukuha nyo kay Google. Kasi, paningit lang ako. Hindi lahat ng tinatanong ko, ang sagot manggagaling kay Google. Okay, huwag kayo masyadong obvious. Okay, next one. Information can be delivered in an instant click. Kaya may tinatawag ng internet is an information superhighway. Instant click, nandiyan na ang information na gusto mong makuha. But, you have a question on your mind. It is, it is true? It is, susundin ko ba? Kokopyahin ko ba? Tama ba to? Ito nga ba talagang information na kailangan ko? At ito ba ang totoong information na kailangan ko? Okay, so you can deliver information in a wide coverage at a low cost. Okay? Ito na rin yung tinatawag nating instant messaging, which is hindi yung sa mga text messages, sa mga chats, sa mga chats rooms, sa mga using Google Documents, which is a Gmail account. Okay? Yan yung tinatawag nating, yan yung rules of ICT. It can serve a multiple teaching functions. It can be used in different teaching and learning modes. And last is information can be delivered in an instant. Okay? So now we're going to discuss about the evolution of ICT. Okay. Evolution of ICT in education. So, 1650, na-discover ang the hornbook. Okay, what is the hornbook? This is a wooden paddle with printed lessons. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, noong mga colonial era, yung mga ninuno natin, nagsusulat sila, nag-uukit sila gamit ang bato. Sa bato or sa wood. Okay? So, you can find on the paper alphabets and the religious verse which children would copy to help them learn how to write. Okay? Sa hornbook, unang nakasulat ang hornbook ang unang visual aids. Okay? Noong taong 1650. Okay, next is noong 1820, na-discover na si difference engine. Okay. By the father of computer, Charles Babbage. Okay. Charles Babbage was the one who designed this computing machine which was used in calculating and printing a simple math tables. By the way, bago si difference engine, meron na tayong tinatawag na computing machine, or calculating machine. Ito ay na-discover ng Chinese, 500 before Christ. I don't know bakit hindi nila naisama dito. And his name is abacus. Of course, you are familiar about abacus. Okay, abacus is the first calculating machine. In terms in mathematical, simple math tables or simple mathematical equations. Okay, so noong 1830, after ma-discover ni Charles Babbage ang difference engine, in-upgrade niya to, okay, which is analytical engine, into analytical engine. Ang difference engine is nagpiprint siya ng simple math tables, okay, o nakikita yung simple math tables. But in the using of analytical engine, Charles Babbage designed the second computing machine which was used in calculating complicated problems by the following of instruction. Yung difference engine kasi, siya lang yung mga nagbibilang. Alam niyo, nagbibilang lang. Yung parang 5 times 5, ganun. 3 times 2, mga ganun lang. Ganun yung difference engine. But the analytical engine, siya na yung nagsasagot ng sariling problema. Which is means, hindi lang numbers ang nasa analytical engine. Pati na rin ang words, letters, okay? So, ibig sabihin, all packed data ang nasa analytical engine. Which is, nang ma-discover ni Charles Babbage, o nang nang i-develop pala, ni Charles Babbage ang analytical engine, kasama niya nag-develop ang first programmer. Okay, the first programmer is Ada Lovelace. Okay, the first programmer who programmed the analytical engine. First, ginamit nilang analytical engine and then ginawa nila ito ng program kasi gagamitin nila ito sa pag-detect ng mga kalaban ng military. Analytical engine developed or created by Charles Babbage and programmed by Ada Lovelace not because in education. The purpose is for military. Okay? But noong 1830, ginamit na siya sa education. Okay? Kaya napasama ang analytical engine sa evolution of ICT. Okay? Next one is noong 1870, na-discover ang magic lantern. Okay? This is the primitive version of slide projector that projected images printed on a glass plates. Okay? Kung nakakita na kayo ng overhead projector, overhead projector is look like a magic lantern. Ang kaso, mas malaki ang overhead projector than magic lantern. Okay, just wait for a minute.